is.
Yeah, it's in his nose.
Yeah, how am I gonna get it through his nose?
Hurry, he's gonna die.
Push it out.
JJ,
Go
you're
get
gonna
the pliers.
JJ, you're gonna have to help him. The fish is gonna die.
He's alright. He's getting it. You got it. You almost got it. You almost got it. Okay, just hang on. Don't push it in there tighter. There you go.
Got it! Mom, I got it!
Okay, go throw him in.
Go down the thing.
You have to go down there.
Gently put him in. No, I'll feel weird looking down.
It is ugly.
Good job.
It'll come
You
back.
should be fine. He's breathing.
Yeah.
That's my first one that I took down.
Nope, I think he's good.
He's pretty much in shock. Oh, you got a big one. You got a big one.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Holy
Get a picture, Ashley.
I'm recording this whole thing.
Oh, good one, Bryce. Bring him over. Hurry before he gets off the hook and goes back in the water.
Oh, yeah.
Is it what?
Blood.
It's all over him. Oh no, just mud.
No, that was scary.
Bryson,
That's a good one, Bryson. Yes.
you know what to do. You know what to do.
Scared me. What were you using?
I was just using those worms.
Oh.
Press, hurry, go get that fishy.
I love how like the big one won't bite, but they're randomly catching all
I
these.
didn't bring anything to put him in this time.
Ew, what are we gonna do?
Put 2 salmon eggs on. Bryson, the pliers are right here. Come on.
Preston, don't touch my fishy.
Oh, poor JJ hasn't caught one. Preston with the Superman pole.
Just not moving.
Bryson, you gotta grip him and hold him tight.
Open up. I don't know what it is.
Well, you're gonna have to follow the line down.
Don't.
I see it right there.
You get him out. I can't see in there.
She her finger
Wait a
hurt.
minute. What is this?
JJ, look at it.
Does he have a... What is this?
He has an extra
This
line.
isn't...
He was already caught. That was probably got away or something off the other line. He's already been caught once.
Bryson?
Yeah, Mom. Can you get it, Dad?
So, you gotta learn how to do it.
JJ, this one's like
Preston just
My
got it.
finger,
His was in
my
there.
finger is
No, no.
bleeding again.
JJ, it's like deep down in there. It's gross.
I can't get it.
JJ's so determined to get his own. Bryson, work on your fish.
I can't. Dad, you should have just got that fish right there. Oh, he's going after yours, Dad.
Bryson, shh. Come work on your fish. Here, work on your fish.
Can you get him?
Her finger hurts. Just get
I
it.
can't get it. It's too deep.
Let me see.
I mean,
JJ's. He's
Yeah.
making.
it's in his
He's making
tongue.
Mom do it.
I can't. Stay.
Bryson, stop squishing it.
No, Mom, it's okay. I got it. Open up. Can you open it up? No. Oh. I can't see.
Give me the pliers.
No, Mama.
Hurry.
No.
There's your worm.
Yeah, I know. Did you get the hook?
I got that one.
He must have been caught already.
This is so sad.
He must have been caught already. Sorry. Oh, that's in his throat.
Poor fish.
We're gonna have to cut the line, Mom. And we're just gonna have to kill him and cut his head off.
It's horrible.
Come on, just hold him still.
You did? A big one?
He's probably kidding.